Alright guys, good morning. Welcome to Maintenance Monday. Today, as you can see, my window's gone. What I'm going to do, because it's right there, I'm taking all this old sealant off. I'm going to put new butal tape on, seal up my window. Let me take you out there and take a look at it here. I sealed it up as best I could with what I had when I did it. So now we are going to get this all sealed because this window's not sealed yet. Get it all cleaned up, put the butal tape clean all up and around there, and we'll get this thing put back together. I'll let you guys check it out as I go, and we'll see what we can do. Hang tight. Alright guys, that wasn't so hard, was it? Not bad. So now we'll just take this monster in. I'll show you guys a little bit up close what we got going on outside and inside, okay? Alright, here's our outside. It's all sealed up all the way around. Beautiful. And then we'll go check out the inside. Oh. Get my tripod over here, and here we go, all put back together.